Well, we've got the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution here again. Great place to fly at the beach. We're in a little bit off of a playground, a little bit windy out there. You can see the plane rocking right now. I'm going to add one flap and fly it for a couple of minutes. Here we go.
Armed cruise. Flaps up.
Yeah. A little bit of a small space here. A lot of a small space, actually. Especially with the trees. Obviously, that's what makes it small. Like I said, good wind. I'm barely... That's sitting pretty good. No throttle there, and it's still flying back pretty good. Now I'll add some throttle to make the turn. Fly over there towards the playground. Nobody's over there. Well, a couple of kids, but I'm not going over the playground itself, so.
6 minutes.
And I'm not going to fly very long. That was close. Was able to pull it out, but the wind really kind of took it, taking it there again. I'm going to have to land from right to left here. Kind of nicely cruising, sitting still in the wind, just drifting. The wind's actually coming from a little bit straight in front of me. You can see it barely moving forward with very little throttle. Now it's drifting in the wind. I don't want to lose it, so I'm gonna... Ooh, sun's tough. See if we can get this down. Now the wind is pushing it that way. Keep it low. And roll it out.